Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we will move on from fe to ye. Okay, first we are going to write fe. First we will make a small circle and we will go down from the circle. Fe. Put a one dot on fe. Now we will write kaf. Same way. Kaf. We will make a circle and we will go down below the line. Stop. Kaf has two dots on it. Now the other kaf. Start from this here. Go on a line. Now go a little up. Kaf. Now we will write gaf in the same pattern. Gaf. Now the identicals are finished, right? Lam. Now we'll write lam. Is very easy. Below the line and come up. Stop here. Meme. For the meme, make a small circle. Now start with the same circle. Meme. Come below the line. Now stop. Meme. La. Meme. Now comes the noon. Noon. Now comes vav. Vav in the middle of the line. Ha. Now comes hamza. Like ain, make a small semicircle and a line, slanting line, touches the line. Chotiye and badiye. Fe, kaf, 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 lam, मीम, नून, वाव, हा, हमजा, छोटिए और बड़िए.